Yo, what's good? What's goody? It's your boy Matty Ice Cold Crypto, man, the diversified hustler, man, coming back to y'all, man, in this 2023. Man, it's been a minute, man, but I ain't gone nowhere, man. Definitely been uh around this crypto space, man, still investing, still seeing what's going on. So, man, I hope all is well with everybody, man. Hope y'all ain't lost faith, man, because 2022 was a roller coaster year. Man, the year started off awesome, man. Last year, towards the end of the year, y'all already know how that bull market came in, man. So, I know everybody lost gains, so hopefully we took profit. I know I didn't as much as I would have loved to, but I didn't take as much as I should, man. Nobody saw that. Well, I ain't gonna say nobody saw it coming, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes when that bull market is running, man, we you know what I'm saying, we get greedy a little bit and we, you know what I'm saying, we don't take profits as we should, but it's all a learning lesson. So here we are again back in 2023, man. This is gonna be an awesome year. So just wanna get back into it. Um this year with the channel though, man, I just want to reintroduce it because I'm gonna kind of come with a little bit of a different focus this year. I'm always gonna be that Bitcoin maximalist, semi and a blue chip, or you know, the top 50, just like those strong cryptos, like, man, dollar cost average into those, man. Like, always buy Bitcoin, always buy Ethereum and some of those other top cryptos, which I'm about to go through in a second, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me switch screens right quick. But always gonna go and let me switch back. I was on the wrong screen. I was already on the right screen. But see, I'm just getting back to it, man. So you know, just off the cuff, man. Like, I don't really like to do too much editing and all of that. But yeah, we gonna go ahead and but just show what I'm doing this year. So kind of refocusing the channel just a little bit. Um, going to show some of the things I'm doing. Like, again, I'm always Bitcoin, dollar cost average, buy great projects. But man, this year I'm gonna be more of a DJ. Like, I ain't gonna say, like, you know, those who in the DeFi space know what I'm talking about. But I just kind of wanna show some of the other projects that I'm doing. Now I let you know whether these are like straight gamble plays or are these, you know, lower risk, high risk, you know what I'm saying? Or this a stick up, we got to get in or get out, you know what I'm saying? Because some of those things are like that. Because I know some of y'all made money with Shiba Inu and Doge, but those are some plays that you trade, you get in and get out. So if it's that type of thing, I'm going to let you know. But that's kind of what I'm going to be doing on the channel this year, showing you some things that I'm in, just sharing my experiences. But as far as this crypto game, man, like what's going on, again, man, these the charts, man. Let me refresh the page, just seeing where we sitting at right now. Man, Bitcoin is at 23,000, man. If you've been paying attention, Bitcoin is definitely up, man. It's up 9.5% over the last 7 days, but it's much up a lot more than that over the last week or so. Ethereum up about 3% over the last 7 days. Man, another coin I like is BNB is up. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? A lot of the projects that I be dealing with deal with BNB and BUSD. Cardano, man, it's up 14%. It's still at only 38 cents, so it's still not at where it needs to go or where I want it to go. But I'm definitely making a great comeback. Man, Doge is up 6% this year, but it's only back to 8 cents. So some people may be in profit, but I know a lot of people may still be down on Doge. Doge is definitely an OG coin. It got a lot of hype, but um, I would say, man, have a little bit of Doge in your portfolio, but be realistic as far as where it's going to go. A lot of people think it's going to go to $1, but for it to go to $1, it'll have to do more than a 10x gain. You know what I'm saying? So just to get to 80 cent, you know what I'm saying, it's at 52 billion. That's 526 billion right now. So a 10x gain to put it over $5 trillion. you know what I mean, I said 5 trillion, put it over $5 billion, it could actually go to a $5 billion market cap on a 10x gain, but it'll be the third biggest coin. You know what I'm saying? It'll be over top of USDT at 3 billion. But if that go to 5 billion, these other coins going to go up too. There's no way Doge is going to have a 10x gain and these coins on top of it not going to have a big gain as well. So if Doge does a 10x gain, these coins are going to have at least maybe a 5 to 10x gain as well. So anything above it, I believe, is going to do well. But also there's some other tokenomics that comes in play with Doge, because like Bitcoin is a static number. You know what I'm saying? It's only going to be 21 million Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Ethereum, they moved the proof of stake. So it's a little less inflationary now, but there's no static number on Ethereum either, so that's going to keep growing. BNB, so that's why we love Bitcoin, because it's only going to ever be 21 million, but there's more and more Doge created every day. Like there's no set number on how many Doge can be created, but I'm not going to get too far into that. But there's money to be made in Doge, but I'm not a Doge investor. But I would say, like, if you got a few dollars, man, throw a few hundred in a Doge and just let it do what it do. You know what I'm saying? Polygon Matic up 21% over the last 7 days. I definitely like what Polygon is doing. I think that's something you want to have in your portfolio. They're doing partnerships with Disney for their NFTs and different things like that, man. Just research Polygon. This ain't a video on each coin, but just going through some coins that I like. So overall, I like Bitcoin, I like Ethereum, I like BNB, I like Cardano, you know what I'm saying? I like Polygon, Solana. Solana got a lot of drama around it. It's up 13%. I do like Solana in some ways, but it got a lot of drama, and I think it could pull back a little bit after some of these coins unleashed, because they was really tied up in that FTX debacle. Their blockchain goes down a lot. There's a lot of VCs, a lot of venture capital around it that keeps this price kind of it keeps it holds it up. But since this blockchain goes down so much, I'm not sure. But is there money to be made around it? Yeah, but that may not be on my list. But if you get, but it's definitely a tradable coin though. Let me say that it's a tradable coin. It's definitely money to be made. But if we're talking about coins that you want a dollar cost average, and that may not be on it. But again, Matic is one, Cardano is one, BNB is a dollar cost average coin, Ethereum, Bitcoin. Litecoin, that's another OG, up 5%. I think Litecoin is going to do well in the next bull run. I think a lot of these OG proof of work type coins, because they're going to be, I think they're going to be classified as commodities. Once this regulation come down, some of these other coins might get caught up as securities. But I think these OG coins, like Bitcoin, even maybe Ethereum, and definitely Litecoin. And I ain't even gonna lie, Doge could be considered a commodity, because the way it was created, man, it was mined. It wasn't no ICO as far as I know. So like Doge could be caught up in there, but that could be an OG. A lot of people use Tron. I'm not a fan of Tron, except for unless you're using USDT on the Tron network, because it's very fast. But Chainlink, man, I'm going through these joints real fast, but I'm just going through the first 50, man. Chainlink, that's another coin. You can get that on Coinbase. I think Chainlink is going to do very well. It's up 12%. It's an oracle. A lot of companies use this to get their information fed to their blockchain. They're one of the most trusted oracles, man. Do some your own research on what an oracle is. Ethereum Classic. I think Ethereum Classic is going to be around. Not up high up on my list, but I think Ethereum Classic is gonna be well. This joint Aptos, not too familiar with Aptos is, man. To be honest, it's a lot of hype around it, but you see it's up 125% over the last 7 days. I wouldn't hop in it right now. It's probably due for a pullback. being up that much. When you see something up that much, I would not hop in. But if you know something that I don't know, and you just going to dollar cost average, and you're going to ride the wave up or down, and you just going to do what you do and dollar cost average, no matter the price, it could be. But it's up 125% over the last 7 days. So I wish I would have got in, and I'd be getting out right about now if I was up 125%. Bitcoin Cash, Stellar, another one that I'm loving, man. Not loving, but that I like. Look up Quant, man. It's up 11%. I like Quant. I wish I would have got a little more Quant, man. Quant was down to almost $100 or so a few months ago, but it's up 11% this week. VeChain, Hedera Hash Graph, another one that I like, and I picked up a little bit, wish I'd have picked up more, is IPC. They got a lot of drama around them, but just follow IPC, Internet Computer, and you'll see why there was so much drama and why people got so much FUD around them. But they was around $3, $2, $3, $4. You know what I'm saying? They up almost 100% over the last 2 months, but they up 17% this month. Sandbox, Theta Network. I like Theta. Theta's up 25% this week. Theta is they're trying to expand the network, the internet, going into Web3. I like a lot of things that Theta is doing. That's a definite buy for me. In the top 50, that's about it, man. You can definitely go down beyond the top 50 and find some good buys. Just do your research. And again, man, dollar cost average into some of these great projects. And I'm gonna always talk about those, but just follow the channel, because more so what I'm going to be looking at going into this year is some of these projects that I'm in. Like I got a few projects that's related to crypto. I got some non-crypto related projects. I'm doing some forex trading and different things. So I'm just going to be sharing my journey throughout this 2023. So if y'all want to join me, definitely join in, man. Comment, let me know what y'all doing. I just think this is going to be a comeback year in crypto. Just got to make moves, because there's money made all the time. There was money made last year. There's money being made right now. It just depends on which side of the spectrum you're on, because the money don't disappear. It's just transferring hands. So while the crypto market is down, that money went somewhere. Somebody making that money in another asset, in another crypto, another market. The money don't disappear. It just moves. It just exchanges hands. So, man, let us get in the flow of some of that currency. You know what I'm saying? Let's make this crypto. Let's just be on the right side of the money. So let's check out some of these different moves, different plays, man. If y'all got some ideas, share them with me. You know what I'm saying? And we can break bread. So that's what we're going to do. But just be on the lookout for some of those ideas and some of those videos, man. I appreciate y'all sharing the video, man. I mean, checking out the video, but do share it, do like it, subscribe it, man. I appreciate it, man. And let's get this crypto. It's your boy, Matty Ice Cold Crypto, and I'm out.